Happy holiday. Welcome to the Rhythm Studio, where we're talking percussion, music production, and music technology. I'm Warren Henry. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and the alert bell so that you can be notified when we release new videos. Happy holiday, and let's get into it. It's that time of year again where I say thank you to all of my subscribers, but this year I'm going to do things a little bit different. I'm giving away a Rhythm Studio t-shirt, a boom microphone stand, as well as a couple of mic cables. These are bare essentials that you'll need in your studio, and it's my way of saying thank you to all 600 of my subscribers, and let's look forward to a great year ahead. But to be eligible, you have to do the following. Go to my Instagram and find the holiday giveaway thumbnail, tag at least 10 people, and use the hashtags Warren Henry Drummer, Warren Henry Composer, Warren Henry YouTube Creator in order for me to find your image. Another way is to retweet any image or Instagram video using the hashtag Warren Henry Drummer. I'll be announcing the winner on December 31st on my Instagram and my Twitter pages. So in order to find out if you were the winner, you're going to have to follow me on Instagram or Twitter. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for tuning in. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe and have a happy, healthy holiday.